to convert a plan view into a color side view with one click. AI can directly generate colored plan views in various styles with a single click. Here's how. First, enter the website URL and log in. Select Master Plan, then choose Floor Plan Coloring. Upload an image. Enter your desired color scheme in the prompt field. Wait 1 minute to receive the colored plan view. To create a video from a CAD drawing and a colored plan view, follow these steps. Click Video Generation, select the start or end frame options. Upload both images. Specify the desired dimensions, resolution, duration, and camera movement effects. Add any additional prompts. And click Generate to obtain a video that converts the CAD drawing into a colored plan view. Next, let's further convert it into an axial view. Select AI Edit, then choose All in on Edit. Upload the color plan view. Specify the required smart channel dimensions and image clarity. Enter the prompt text. And click Generate to obtain the axial view of the color plan. One-click triple action lets us explore more next time.